Welcome to our Kwanzaa crafts tutorial. Today we'll be showing you how to make a scrapbook, wreath, kindness rock, puzzle, and quilt, all inspired by the principles of Kwanzaa. First, let's make a kindness rock. For this craft, you'll need some small rocks, some paint, and a paintbrush, or you can use markers. You can paint your rock with positive messages or designs. You can also add symbols or colors that are meaningful to you. If you are doing this craft with your family, you can also write positive messages to each other or things that you like about each other on each person's rock. Next, let's make a Kwanzaa wreath. For this project, you will need construction paper, glue, and a pencil. First, you will outline your hand on different colors of construction paper. Then, you will take these hands and form a circle, creating your wreath. You can decorate your wreath with the principles of Kwanzaa, affirmations, or symbols that you like. Now, let's make a Kwanzaa quilt. For this project, you will need felt squares or construction paper, a hot glue gun, please make sure that you have an adult to help you with this, and scissors. First, you will decide how many squares you would like in your quilt. When you've decided that, then you will decorate each square. After each square is decorated, you then will use the hot glue gun to assemble the squares into your quilt. Next, let's create a puzzle. For this craft, you'll need a blank puzzle and some paint or markers. Start by sketching your design on the puzzle pieces. You can choose a design that represents your community or culture, or create a unique pattern or image. Once you finish sketching, use your paint or markers to fill in your design. When you're done, put your puzzle together and share it with friends and family to celebrate Kwanzaa. Finally, let's make a scrapbook to remember all the fun that we had during Kwanzaa. To start, gather some photos, stickers, and other embellishments that represent your family and community. You'll also need a blank scrapbook and some glue or double-sided tape. You can use a page for each day of Kwanzaa or create a theme for each page. As you work, think about how your family and community come together to create unity and harmony while we celebrate Kwanzaa. We hope you've enjoyed these Kwanzaa crafts and that they inspire you to celebrate the principles of Kwanzaa in your own way. Now join us as we celebrate the 6th night of Kwanzaa in this short candle lighting ceremony. Havarigani.
Kuumba.
Kuumba means creativity. Kuumba's reflection is to try and to fail is not laziness.
Harambe, 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 Harambe.
If you want to learn more about Kwanzaa, Black history, or your energy, check out our workbooks and guides at cmarepress.com.